Hello, my name is Tim Calvo. I'm with Hosokawa Micron Powder Systems. Today we're going to talk about the proper installation and removal of the wand in the Mikro airjet sieve. The Mikro airjet sieve is equipped with a slit wand. The proper removal for the slit wand is in a clockwise rotation, so I snap clockwise, rotate it until it comes completely off. The reason why it's a reverse rotation is because it actually tightens when it rotates. So we now have the wand off. If you're contemplating on using an 8-inch screen, we then use a different height wand, install it counterclockwise. Now, please be aware that if you are installing it or trying to remove it in a counterclockwise position, you will damage the motor linkage, which can be costly for replacement. Once the wand is in place, as you can see, it sits properly, this being the height for the 8-inch wand. And once again, removal, clockwise. All right, reinstallation, counterclockwise. And this is the proper location for when you're using the 200 millimeter diameter standard Hosokawa Micron sieve screens. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that this tutorial will help you in not spending additional money to repair your Mikro airjet sieve.